Alright then students, welcome back again. So today we will discuss about integrated circuit. We will make some circuits. Practically we'll see how does it work and we will try to check some circuits. Okay. So we will start with IC. This IC you can see here. I have put it on the breadboard here. This is 555 IC. Any 555 IC, we call it as a timer IC also, right? It is a timer IC. Then we can delay pulse generator also, we can call it this particular IC, right? And oscillator IC also we call it, okay? So very popular IC for beginners to learn. For learning purpose, in the labs we use this type of IC. Now first of all, how I have connected this IC on the breadboard. You can see there is a gap in between. This side you have a gap. So one side dip IC, that is 8-pin dip IC. What is this IC actually? It is 8-pin mini dual dip. 8-pin mini dual dip 8. 8 means what? You have 8-pin dip. And dip means what? One side 4, one side 4. It can directly fix on the breadboard. That means it has a pin. Okay. Right. So the notch here, you can see this notch. This is the from where you have to start counting the pin number 1 and all. So notch left hand side. This is pin number 1. Right? Got it? Notch left side. Where I am putting my this thing. This is pin number 1. Next is pin number 2, 3, 4. So this side you have 4. Exactly opposite to it. When you finish 4 here, exactly come down to this side. And you will find pin number 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right? So one here and the last one here in the corner, it is pin number 2. Now, first of all, we will discuss more about how to test an IC. The first test is simple test after giving supply to this particular IC. Let's get some supply. So I'm using a battery here, that is 9-volt supply battery I'm using. We will try to give some supply voltage to this particular circuit. Okay, what I will do is, there is a positive terminal. I will exactly connect to the pin number 8 of the IC. Because why 8? Please remember, pin number 8 is a VCC or supply. So I'm just connecting pin number 8 to VCC and supply. Right? So first thing, every time you should remember, supply voltage, VCC voltage, you should give it correctly onto the IC. Whatever pin it is, you have to see. How you will come to know about the VCC, which pin is VCC and which pin is ground? You have to go through the data sheets. You have to take a help from the data sheet. For data sheet, how to check the data sheet, that we will make a separate video for that. Okay, so what we will do is pin number 1 here is ground. Okay, so I've connected pin number 1 and pin already battery, the supply is there of 9 volts. Please remember how much supply, what pin you have to give, that I'm putting my finger on this IC and I'm checking whether it is getting heated up or not. That is the first thing you have to do, whether your IC is working or not. It is not getting heat. That means my IC is working. Okay. Now put it on a voltage range. If you want to check it, voltage range, you have put it on DC voltage range. And I will just check what is the voltage on this, what I have given, right? Pin number 1, or I will just directly connect to pin number 1 here, positive and negative. I will just connect to pin number 1 is ground and pin number 8 is this thing. So how much it is coming? 9.02. That means the battery voltage is 9 volts. Please remember. And I'm getting the complete voltage. If there is a problem or short circuit in a circuit or in the IC, you will never get this voltage. 9 volts will drop. It can go up to 0 volts. It can go up to 1 volt, 2 volt, or below 5 volts. At that time, the IC will get heated up. So this is the first thing what you have to test. So this is the simple test I have told you how to test the IC. All right, friends and students. Now you can see one circuit. I'm showing it on your screen. I will just make it a little bigger. Okay. Now in this circuit, what do you see? On the one side, you have a timer IC circuit, and another side, the pin configuration. Please remember, when you do any practicals, you should be very comfortable with the IC pins. That means where is the ground, where is the VCPC, and where are the other pins. So please remember trigger pin, output pin, threshold pin, discharge pins. These are very important pins, what you have to understand. Okay. So what we will do is we will just make this circuit on the breadboard and we will check what is the output coming from the circuit. This particular circuit is nothing but monostable circuit. Mono, what do you mean by mono? A single pulse will come out at a time, right? This pulse, this one is also called as timer monostable. Why it is called as timer monostable? I will just tell you why it is called as timer monostable. So this same circuit, we will do it on a breadboard. I will try to show it to you how's the working and everything on the breadboard. Okay, so we will just see this circuit on the breadboard. All right, friends. Now you can see I have made a circuit. I will just give you a little explanation how I fixed it. Already I have told you how you have to fix in the gap. The IC should be fixed. That means 4 pin that side, 4 pin this side. You should not fix it anywhere else. This is the only place where you have to fix the IC. Let it be any pin IC, any pin dip IC. Dip means which has a pins, which can be inserted inside, right? That is the dip IC. Okay. So this is your IC. What is the connection? I've just explained you. Pin number 1 is going to ground. This side I have taken ground. This is negative pin. Okay. So pin number 1 is ground. Pin number 8 is a supply. This side, you can see this jumper I have connected to the positive terminal. Please remember this is positive and this is a negative line we have taken, right? Usually when you make circuits, you have to remember that. Okay. So I have used one switch, that is, which is connected to, one end is connected to ground and another end is connected to pin number 2 of the IC, right? One switch. Which one? The micro switch. Now, pin number 3 is the output. Please remember, any 555, that is timer IC or oscillator IC, the pin number 3 is output. 4, I have what I have did, that is a reset pin, fourth one. In according to this, it's a reset pin. But that is also I have connected to supply, right? Whatever the supply it is there, that are VCC that I have connected over here. Now you can see the pin number. Let's come to this side. Pin number exactly after 4, 5. I have not connected anything on pin number 5. Okay, please remember I have not connected. You can connect very low value capacitor in nanofarads. You can connect to the ground, but I have not connected anything. Okay, pin number 6. What you do according to the circuit, I've just we saw it before. 6 is shorted with pin number 7. Correct? 6 is shorted with pin number 7. From 7 pin number 7, I have connected 100K resistor. It is there exactly same. This is 100K resistor. I have connected to supply. And please remember one more resistor I have used it. That is from pin number 2. What is pin number 2? That is trigger pin number. That is triggering voltage. For that, I have connected one 10 kilo ohm resistor from the supply. Okay, right. The only difference what I have did is in this, I have not used the buzzer because in the circuit diagram it is shown buzzer. I have not used buzzer. I have used a LED here. Please remember LED because you should see whether my circuit is working or not. So this is what circuit? Monostable. Okay, we have made a monostable. Okay, monostable. How the 555 IC will work. So I will give the connection here. What I will do is positive connection. I will give it here. This is my positive line. So I will give positive connection. This is 9-volt supply. Please remember, recently we have checked it. 9-volt supply. And I have given the negative to this point. Right? Now, after giving it, you just see I'm just pressing the switch once. I'm pressing the switch once. Right. It came on and became off. Can you see it again? On it became off. There is a capacitor here, which I didn't tell you, that is from pin number 7 to the output is given, and it is one is given to pin number 7. The positive end is given to pin number 7, 6, pin number 6, and negative is connected to ground. This capacitor is nothing but it will give you the timing. So just remember, I will just show you. Press it. Within 2 seconds, it get off. Let's change the capacitor. Okay, I'm changing the value. This capacitor value is 10 microfarad. 10 microfarad. So what I will do is I will remove this capacitor and I will put a 100 microfarad capacitor. You can see here, I will just try to show it to you. It is 100 microfarad capacitor, right? This is 100 microfarad capacitor. Okay, right. So what I will do is, so negative, positive will go to pin number 6 and negative is going to the ground. Okay, ground pins. I'm just trying to connect it. Now I will just connect the switch. I will just press the switch. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so it went up to 13 seconds approximately. Just I'm counting it, but it went to, previously it was only 2 seconds. Please remember, it was only 2 seconds. This time it was this thing. So this is nothing but we call it as a single pulse timing generator. That means only once pulse will go inside and output also one pin. Okay, either it will stay on or either it will stay off, right? So we call it as a mono, right? This is monostable circuit with the using 555 IC. I hope you understand. Please, all of you, why I'm doing this. These are very basics. You have to do it in the labs, in your college labs, and in your company, because you should know about this. Because if you don't know about this particular IC in the industry, it is very, very difficult to survive. Okay. So what type of IC? What are the pins? How to test it? How to check the IC? How to make the circuits? This thing we have seen with the first circuit.